People were coming out of their house and then slamming the door shut because they were flying in their doors.
Yeah, and that's what, look, I don't want that to happen here.
But it could happen somewhere else.
So would the best place to be like this in my back patio or like out in the street?
Probably back patio.
They're gonna go all over creation.
Right.
So you
Back
should
patio's
just,
too close to the house.
you know what you should do is take them on the highway.
Yeah. Well, I'll go stand in the median.
95.
Pay attention to what this is.
Oh no! I just no. I thought it was just a pile
They're not
of
whistlers,
in a box
are
on the
they?
floor. I never knew it.
They're not whistlers, are they?
If y'all want to stay in here,
I'll come out here. I'm
that's
brave.
probably better.
Oh, really?
Well, they're pointed everywhere. You might,
And
you
look,
might be
if,
better off.
if something were to go catastrophically wrong, thank
Call
you all for coming.
911.
I'm gonna stand over here. Charlie, you can open my gifts for me.
Can I have the Buick?
Yeah. Charlie, you can have the Buick.
Oh, he leaves a lighter fluid right next to it. Stand back.
That's really dumb. It's not done!
Oh,